China wants to fuck us in the A and we can't let that happen because the only people allowed to fuck us is the literally anybody. And welcome to another episode of me making content so that I could be viral one day and I could be famous. Thank you very much. Unless you've been living under a rock, you must be knowing about the whole China issue, which is basically China trying to intrude into Indian spaces without anything. And India, like any other girl at a bar, went boundaries, bitch, what the fuck? Do you even know मेरा boyfriend क्या कर सकता है, ठीक है? And China always tries to do this, right? It always tries to intrude into Indian spaces without any consent. China is like the fuckboy that nobody needs right now. You know what I mean? It always tries to get into your spaces, and when it does, it gives you weird diseases. And recently, it tried to intrude into Gunwal, which, when you think of it, is them sending a non-consensual dick pic to us. And we all get grossed out about it. One of those people who sends a dick pic, just don't do it. Like, it doesn't work. And no girl looks at a dick pic and goes, ढूंढो इसको, please ढूंढो. यही तो है मेरे बच्चों का बाप, माशाल्लाह. क्या चीज है ये? Oh ho. No, don't do this. And for a country like India, this is a huge issue, right? Because we are facing economic issues right now, and China is trying their best to come in. Pakistan is trying their best for, I don't know. When you think of this is like every Indian girl modern love story, right? Like China is the fuck boy, and Pakistan is the weird ex-boyfriend that is trying to get into you, and India is just sitting here thinking, guys, I need some space for myself. What the fuck? Now I need to work on myself. मेरे लोग अभी भी गौमूत्र पी रहे, ठीक है? एक आधा नंगा बाबा बोल रहा है उसने कोरोना ठीक कर दिया. What the fuck? I'm not here for hookups. गौमूत्र छे तो बोलो, वो मैं दे सकती हूँ. I don't know. And China, like every other fuckboy, doesn't really do this only with one person. It does it with Africa, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, using weird techniques like dumping, which is not how it sounds like. It's not what you think. It's not like it breaks up with the country saying, it's not you, it's me, leaving you emotionally needy and dependent. No. That's your ex job. It essentially exports products at such a low rate into a market that no competition can compete with it, and it has monopoly. It uses something called debt trap, which is basically giving money to a country so that they could use it, and when they can't pay you back, they take their land. This happened in Sri Lanka, and they took over a port, which is proof that you don't really need rocks with Ram written on it to capture Sri Lanka, you know. Yeah, I know I sound like an autistic Dhruv Rathi, but the point is, Xi Jinping, if you're watching this, because of course you are, so fucking famous, stop sending us a dick pic, man. Take us for a date. Listen to our needs. Listen to what we want. Because you don't know what desi people are capable of. We are the same people who will work in NASA but will have Jat the Gaddi written on our Scorpio. We are the same people who will be against animal violation but will beat our kids like anything. Because you, China, may have everything in the world, the money, the power, but we Indians have something much more powerful, something that unites us, something that gives us strength. गौमूत्र, ठीक है, फेंक के मारेंगे भैंचोद को.